Well, I'm here today with my DJI Mini 4 and I thought I'll do a quick boomerang on that building behind me over there. That's the basketball stadium out here in Waverly. So I'm here, and then I thought I might as well make my time a bit useful and do a quick. The drone is here on the floor, ready to fly, and in my hands here I've got my phone connected and ready to go. So let's have some fun, right? I'll put you on my chest so you got a different POV view for what I can see as well. The sun is all over the place, but this is the best place to be because I'm flying in the direction of the sun, so it's gonna be a great view. It's a great weather, so let's see. All right, the weather is great. The drone is ready. Let's get it started. So I've got the image.
Takeoff.
So as you can see, I just took off.
Home point updated.
It's been updated. And I'll move forward a bit. And then I'll sort of fly up towards the basketball stadium over there. I'll change this to video. And then from videos, I'll go to quick thing at some quick shots at some stage, but at the moment I just want to elevate and go forward and get the right elevation first. Once I get the right elevation, then 50 meters is usually a good spot to be in a situation like that. So my elevation at the moment is 7 meters, but I really need to get to that 50-meter high before I start doing anything recording. I'll stay right away from people. Sometimes drones intimidate people. And you can see from the screen I'm on 11 meters, 12 meters. And I'm just gonna keep elevating. So I'm about 20 meters up, 90 meters to be exact. So I'll move forward a bit. I think I'm scaring the birds here, the live. And now that I'm here, I'm gonna go elevate again. I'll twist my body sort of, not the other way, this way. Okay, about that. And then I'll go sidewise. I'll twist a bit more, and then I'll go sidewise. So therefore, I'll be right in front of the stadium. So I can see the logo of the stadium over there. Whoa, the birds are getting a bit close and loud. So if I twist it again that way, so the stadium is there. That's the building I wanna do a boomerang on. I'll elevate a bit more to stay away from these birds. I think they don't like to be, so I'm about 35 meters up now. So they don't really like to go that high. That's eagles area, so they like to mess up with it. So they left me alone finally. So now that they left me alone, I'll sort of tilt my gimbal down a little bit. So there's the stadium there. And now I'll go to my quick shots, and then I'll pick, let's say, boomerang. Then I press here, and I can, if I press, I can actually move the gimbal as well. But I'm trying to press in and do a big scale of the area that I wanna. Here you go. So you pick up that area. So what I'll do, I'm now at 50 meters actually. 50 meters is pretty good. I'll go high, a little bit higher, and then up to about there. And then now I'll start to do my about 60 meters high at the moment, 72 meters for me. So the birds are still sort of coming really close. So I'll start my
3, 2,
boomerang
1.
now. So therefore, I am not standing for the same spot for too long and disturbs the birds. I believe I'm high enough. The drone is now doing the boomerang. I can always stop it at any time by pressing the red X button. So it's going all the way around, automatically doing the boomerang. So I'm actually not doing anything. I'm just watching and observing from here. So I've got 84% of battery, so it's more than enough. And there it is, beautiful boomerang of the stadium. There's no obstacles around from where I am, for I can see anyway. The drone is pretty far at the moment. It's hard to even try to imagine where it is. But there's the boomerang. I'm all the way over on the other side. And you'll start coming back. That's the car park from the Waverly Basketball Stadium down there. And then you have the oval. I think it's just a oval of field at the back, some houses. And on this side, you have a kind of a recreation area. Sometimes I see plays. I think that all the people doing some kind of playing games there. So at this moment, I cannot see the drone, but I think it's about to finish. Yeah, I can see it now. And it's done. So I just finished to do the boomerang here. And to compare the boomerang, because a lot of people get confused, what's the difference between a boomerang and also a Hilux? So I'll do a Hilux now. The circle is pretty straightforward, but the boomerang and the Hilux is a bit confusing for people. So what I'll do now, I'll lower my gimbal a bit. I'll try to figure out, get this spot again. To do a Hilux, I'll increase it. So that's a little bit small. See if I can, I'll exit, and then what I'll do, I'll go and increase it from here. That's again picking up the, yeah, here we go. Now I got it all the way up to here. And you can change the direction. Maximum radio is 10 meters, so you can increase that if you wanted to, but I think 10 meters is good, and it will be a good comparison to do with the boomerang that I just did. I'm gonna click start,
3,
and as you can hear,
2,
the count is going,
1.
and now it's gonna perform a Helix. So this is pretty much the difference between a Helix and a boomerang. As you can see, the drone is now flying on its own. I'm not doing anything at all on the drone, and it's gonna do the Helix. And I won't do a circle because circle is pretty straightforward. It just goes around the 10 meter around the circle from where the point of interest is. But on this case, the point of interest is the building, is the Waverly Basketball Stadium. And as you can see, is going and is going all to the Helix. On his map here, it's gonna click and make it. It shows you where it started, where it's going, and what it's doing, the distance between. So on the area, which is the building here in the middle, where the the red dot is, and it's got, that's the Helix right there. So if you can close it a little bit closer, if you put it there, so it starts from where you started, where home, the H, the yellow H, it means home, H for home, and that's where we started, and that's where we're coming to. So it's pretty much coming close to the where they started. I can physically see it now, and it's gonna come to where it started very, very soon, and there it is. It just went past from where it started, and the Helix is pretty much complete at this stage. Here we go, completed. So I hope this video was a clear indication on how a Helix looks like and how a boomerang looks like, just in case you are in any doubts. Now that you have seen this video, hopefully you can make a better informed decision on what you want to run. You want to run a boomerang or you want to run a Helix. So this is pretty much it. So what I'll do now, before I go away, I'll bring the drone home, and the way to do it is that you can press on the controller, and I'll just make sure I can see it and I'm aware of it, and I not let it land under the tree. The other thing that happens in this situation is that the drone will elevate, so it's coming down. I can see it coming down, and it's right under the tree. So in that situation, you have to cancel the turn to home, Okay, cancel return to home, and then manually land the drone. So the way I'll do it, I'll go to the side here a bit, just to clear the tree that is on top of me. So if I lift this up, you can see there's a tree, and then the drone is sort of just down there. So you don't want it to land on top of this tree and damage it. So this the drone, as you know, it's got no obstacle avoidance. So once it hits there, in a place that is safe, you can like hold and land here. So it should clear the trees. Again, if it sees that it doesn't clear the tree, you can always press the red button to cancel the landing, and the drone should land. So as you can see, it will probably land on the grass, so I'll cancel the landing. And what I'll do is I'll push it this way a bit, and then manually land it. So manually land it on actually grass. So as you can see there, now it's on top of the concrete. Now I can confidently land it. As you saw, I manually landed the drone. I hope this video was helpful and entertaining to you. If it has, hit me up with a big thumbs up. And also, as you can see, make sure if you are interested in anything drone related, I've got a few videos about drones. I've got the DJI Neo and also the DJI Mini 4K. So these are pretty much my two go-to drones. And yes, so subscribe to my channel. Bye.